What if he like explodes?
He's dead.
Oh. Here, let's bring him to the animal shelter.
Want a trophy, guys?
Look what we caught.
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh.
Look, his mouth is open.
Get out of the water, Lucas.
His mouth is open.
Get out of the water. This is going on YouTube.
Ah, come on, you little... That's a catfish.
Oh, like drinking all that.
Is that
dirty
really
water.
a catfish?
That should look like a catfish.
Get out of the water. Like, bring it onto shore.
Hey, baby. Oh, you trying to make my end?
More rock.
Dude. I want that
There he wants out.
dead fish.
What
What the hell is chirping?
That's a bird trying to...
What the hell is that thing? Come here.
What the fuck?
Come here. Come here. Where are you going?